Introducing our lightest and most packable rain pant, the XKG Stormtrek. This pant is designed to keep you dry and mobile, even in the harshest backcountry conditions. With the 100% waterproof and windproof King's Windstorm membrane, this 20,000 waterproof, 20,000 breathability barrier is designed to block out weather while allowing heat and moisture to escape. Fully taped seams and a water-resistant treatment to our two-way stretch woven fabric provides full weather coverage, while heavy-duty AquaGuard zippers and an adjustable waist belt ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Full-length side zippers make for an easy on and off, even over boots. The Stormtrek is designed to be your outermost layer of protection against the elements. Layer over your primary hunting pants, or add over the top of your loftiest insulation layer to lock in heat. Weighing at just 12 ounces with the capabilities to pack tight into its back pocket, the XKG Stormtrek will never weigh you down. Whether you're navigating early season storms or glassing in cold, wet conditions, this is a pant that you can trust to keep you going. The XKG Stormtrek Rain Pant is available at kingscamo.com or check your local retailer.